What's going on, everybody? I am doing this video as a response to Mr. DJ Smith. He was asking a question in the group in reference to CRM, the CRM program, and how to add a list for making emails. So I'm going to try to share my screen. I tried this once and I jacked it up. So let's see if I can make this happen this time. See, and it looks like we are sharing. So let's go to here. All right, so the question was how to add contact lists to CRM to send emails. So hopefully I understood this question correctly. And what I'll do is I'll show you what I have. This is one of the lists that I have in my CRM program. And if you notice that in this list, over here to the left, you have the names of the contacts and the actual company names. Here you'll have your phone numbers. Here you have emails. But what you'll notice is that some will have phone numbers and not emails. Like for instance, here, this will have a phone number and not an email, but then some will have emails and no phone numbers. So if you want to do, depending on whether it's going to be an email or a text message or SMS message, you have to kind of filter it out that way so that you'll understand, hey, this message is going out in an email and this message is going out in a text message. So the question was about emails. So I'm going to filter it through emails. So normally what I do is I'll go say, let's start with email. We go here and I will click on the people that actually have emails that I want to send a promotional email to. The simplest way to do it here is to go and click the individuals that you specifically want to target. Once you select those individuals, you'll go up to the top of this toolbar and you'll see send email right here. If you click on send email, it's going to take you to another screen. And here, it'll give you notifications. It'll let you know that you're sending the email to the following contacts, which are here. And it'll also tell you that it's going to be performed over a period of time, which is cool. So you're going to click proceed. And this is where you will actually construct your email. So you can put whatever you want to here. Hello, this is, yada, yada, yada from this company, and we are promoting, offering, whatever you want to. You'll put all of that right here in this section. Up top where it says for name, you're going to put your name, or you can say your staff or whoever you want to put. It's no problem. It doesn't matter. It just shows that to the individual that is receiving the email. And then you'll put your company email address that they can respond to and whatever the subject is. Let's put this, are you in need of a pristine and professional workspace? Once you select all that information, you can go down here below. You can add any attached files, whether it be a flyer or say, for instance, you have like a brochure or a postcard that you want to attach to that email or anything like that. You can attach that here. Here, down at the bottom, you'll have a selection of ways that you want to send it, whether you want to send it all at once, which I don't normally do. I usually either do send all at a scheduled time, or there's also a drip mode option, which I'm not too familiar with, so I usually stick with this. And you can click an action, just some information to let you know, to keep you understanding or remembering how, hey, what was this email for? And then you'll click email or send email. And then it'll send that email at the scheduled time that you have. For instance, if you click this time, it'll give you an option. When do you want to send it? So for instance, let's put tomorrow at 3:15 p.m. Make sure you pay attention to the AM and the PM because that passed me up by a few times and I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to move too fast, like I'm talking too fast right now. So hopefully I'll slow down. Another thing you'll want to do is once you've gotten the date, you've gotten the time, make sure here you click that green arrow or that green check mark to let you know, hey, this is the actual time and date that I want this to be accomplished. And you'll see it pop up down here, and then you'll click send email. And it's as simple as that. Now, other things you want to pay attention to is, say, for instance, you don't have an email that you want to, or you don't want to actually construct an email on your own. You've already created one. For instance, in your email templates, if you click up here prior to putting anything down in the body, if you click up here, you have emails that you hopefully have already created in the marketing section of the CRM. So we have emails that are actually already created that we'll just click on and we'll send to specific individuals or companies. For instance, here, this is a promo email. And if I click on it, it's already been constructed. And I'll show you what it looks like. This has already been constructed and I don't have to recreate it over and over again. I can send the same email with all the information that I need to send out to the specific clients or potential clientele. And in my email, I usually put in links for them to click to schedule a walkthrough and to go to certain areas so that I don't have to keep recreating that. And you put in links just as simply as doing something like, say, let's say here, I want this to be a link. So what I'll do is I'll go over here, I'll click that, and I'll put in whatever that link wants to be, give it a display or a text identifier here, and I click OK, and that will actually link it to the email. So whenever they click on it, they will actually go to whatever link that you have them going to. And once again, you still have to put in your name and also your email address here. Same process, go all the way down to the bottom, select how you want to deliver it, and you click send email. And it's as simple as that. Another thing I want you to understand or to remember is that you have to figure out ways to make this process more automated. So like I showed you in the email templates that was at the beginning or the top of that email, you will find that over here in the marketing section. If you click the marketing section and you go to emails or templates, I usually do templates, and I've already created some here. So these are the templates that I've already created that I can automatically send whenever I want to at the click of a button, just by selecting the templates and sending them out to the specific individuals or companies that I want to send them out to. And it's easy to create. If you go over there to add template, and when you click on here, you can either add an email template or you can add a text template. And these are what you will use in your emails if you don't want to construct it by yourself. And like I said, I usually use AI to help me construct whatever email that I want to construct to make it as professional as possible and to kind of focus on whether it be an advertising promotion or just kind of something to grabs the attention of potential clients. So you can do that over here in the marketing section under templates and snippets. And you can also do the same thing over here under the emails and the campaigns, but that's a whole nother video. But hopefully this is what you were looking for. Hopefully this helps you out. And feel free to reach back out to me or just hit the group up. And if I have the time, I'll definitely go in there and I'll either send a video or we'll message and we'll try to figure this out together. So hopefully this helps you. You guys keep grinding and I will talk to you on the flip side.